everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, today's video I have my TestTube beauty box to open and share with you guys, which has fantastic beauty products. One of my favorites, and I don't think I'm ever going to stop this box unless I can't afford it. That's the only way I will ever stop this box, because I am always blown away at the amount of beautiful products that I get in this box. But before we go too far into that, I just want to remind everybody, right now I am having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm giving away a $100 gift card to Walmart. So if you are interested in entering that, I will leave the link right up here. You'll see the little letter I, and that will run until May 28, 2021. Now, of course, if you watch it after May 28th, 2021, it's over. But until then, you have the opportunity to go over there, click on that video, follow the rules in there, and you can enter. And I wish everybody good luck. And of course, thank you to everybody who's helped support me and get me to the 1K mark. That really means a lot to me. And I'm super happy to be here. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you about this TestTube Beauty. It is from the editors of NewBeauty magazine, and it is $29.95 a month plus $8.95 shipping, or I should say bi-monthly. You only get this every 2 months. So that's $38.90. And the value of this particular box is valued at $232. And so I paid $38.90. So let me go ahead and show you what products we got. Now, this is the way it comes. This is why it's called TestTube Beauty, because they always, this is their little logo. They always send you a little test tube, so that's kind of their thing. And it's filled with products, but they have so many products that they can't get everything in here. So as you can see, there's always some extra little goodies in the box. So we will start with the stuff that's not in the test tube, and we will go over those first. But look how cute. That's a nice, cute little tube. And I find all kind of good uses for this. I've put ink pens, I've put my makeup brushes, a lot of good uses. Here is the first item out, and this was the David's Premium Natural Toothpaste in Herbal Citrus Peppermint. And it says, if you think about it, toothpaste is one of the most used products, so why are we buying chemical-filled tubes? David's Herbal Citrus Toothpaste not only tastes deliciously fresh, but it's also formulated with natural sourced ingredients. Think herbal oil, mint, and citrus to clean the mouth and prevent harmful plaque. And that's what it is fluoride-free, sulfate-free, so I know that's really important to a lot of you guys out there. So I will do a review on this after I try it. I'm really happy with the size on this one. Okay, now the next item out is this, and this is called Dose & Co, and this is Unflavored Collagen Peptide. And the price on this is $24.99. And what this says it is the most versatile product in the entire Dose & Co range. This unflavored, I like that, because the last time they've been sending collagen powders, they have had like a sweet taste to them, so this is good to have an unflavored one. And this is bovine-derived collagen powder, so that's definitely not vegan friendly. But I'm not vegan, so that's okay with me. I'm just saying that for some of you vegans out there. It is the perfect addition to drinks like coffee and tea, or foods like baked goods and smoothies. Nursing your hair, nails, and skin back to health has never been easier. And this is good for that. So I will take all the help I can get. And please ignore my nails. It is a mess. I did not have time. We are just going to have to record this video with this hot mess right here. So just ignore it. And these are my natural nails. So I definitely need some help on the nail situation. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box or this tube and see what I've got. Okay, there's one thing stuck to the top, so we will start with this little baby. This is Daily Concepts Dual Texture Scrubber, and this is for $5. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. And what this does, it says when your skin needs a little bit of extra love, reach for this full body exfoliator, which works. It's skin smoothing magic in the shower with just a tiny squeeze of body wash. So as you can see, it has a little thing right here where you can put your hands in here. And it has a slightly rough texture, but not horrible. Just enough to like really get a good scrub going, knock off some dead skin. So that's very nice. So I will definitely be using that. And let's see what's next. And we have something from NewBeauty, and I've used their products. They have sent me NewBeauty products before, and I was impressed with this. I've never had this one though. And this is called NewBeauty, and this is called the SUPER Hydrator. And what this is, it says, it is filled to the brim with long chain hyaluronic acid. This moisturizer delivers enough hydration to keep the skin plump and luscious for a full 24 hours. Our favorite part, we saw visible skin repair within just a few days. And the price of this, $48. Remember, I paid $38.90. So I tell you guys, this box, this test tube is worth every penny to me, especially as I'm getting older. I want to take care of my skin and my hair and my nails and my teeth. I mean, they really give you good products for healthy skin and hair and teeth and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, we got 3 more products in the little test tube, so we'll pull the next one out and let's see what this is. This is Glo Skin Beauty, and this is Beauty Anti-Stress Drops. Woo! You know what the price on this baby is? $125. Anti-Stress CBD Drops. It has 1,000 milligrams of CBD and adaptogen calming serum. It said powered by... Okay, I definitely got to read about this one. It says, powered by the skin-boosting adaptogen, this luxurious serum is clinically proven to not only reduce redness and sensitivity, but also boost radiance and clarity. According to a study conducted by the brand, 90% of users said the skin felt calmer after 1 week of use. And what you do with this, it says, after you cleanse, apply 4 to 6 drops to your face and neck. You can also mix it with your favorite moisturizer, makeup product, or other go-to serums for a skin relaxing boost. Okay, so, wow, $125 for this one little tiny baby bottle. I am definitely interested in trying that. So now the next item out of the box is this. And this is by Floss, and this is just a lip gloss. It says Lip Advocate, and the color is called Proof. And the value of this is $18. So we get a little makeup beauty product. And most of you, I have received Floss products before in multiple Ipsy bags, I believe. Lip Monthly was very famous for sending Floss. So let's see what the color. Okay, I like that color. It's pretty close to the color I got on right now. That is one of my favorite colors. So let's see. Okay, well, this is a lip gloss. This is not like a lipstick, so it's just something to put on top of your lips. So it just gives your lips a little bit of moisture. So that's great. And then the last item out is this. This is the Hello Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer Spray, and this is valued at $3.99. And they sent this in 2 tubes ago, and I really like this. I keep this right in the console of my car, so when I get out of the store or whatever, I spray my hands, I spray my steering wheel, because, you know, you're always touching your steering wheel after you come back from the stores. And we know what hand sanitizers are. I'm not going to go into detail about this. But, and then smell on this is called lavender and eucalyptus. So let's see. I like it. I like it. It doesn't have that strong alcohol-y smell, but I've kind of got used to that smell at this point. I mean, I think we all have with all the hand antibacterial stuff we do anymore. But this does have a lovely lavender smell. So if you don't like lavender, you're probably not going to like it. But I like lavender, so that doesn't bother me. Okay, so as you can see, everything I got in the box, This was the antibacterial spray. We got the Glo Anti-Stress CBD oil. We got the NewBeauty hyaluronic acid. We got the Floss lips, or lip gloss, I should say. We got the David's toothpaste. We got a little body scrubber. And we also got some unflavored collagen powder that you can add in your foods, and you won't even know it, and you'll be helping your skin and hair. And like I said, the value of this box is, let's see, over $232. So what did you guys think of the box this month? And remember, go check out my giveaway I got going on for the $100 gift card. Like I said, the link's right up here. Go check out that video until May 28th of 2021. If that date is not right, I will put it at the bottom of the screen. But good luck to everybody. I hope you guys are doing great out there. And let me know what you thought of the products in this month's box. Okay, I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.